The Radeon RX 554 GHz is designed to deliver fast and responsive performance with its base clock speed of 1,183 MHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and fluid gameplay even in demanding scenarios. With no need for an external power supply, this graphics card is easy to install and boasts a full-load power consumption of approximately 50 watts, making it energy efficient. Equipped with a robust cooling system, the card utilizes a combination of grooved and copper powder sintered heat pipes for effective heat dissipation, enhancing stability and longevity. This versatile graphics card excels not only in gaming, but also handles office tasks, design, and multimedia applications with ease, offering seamless multitasking and quick switching. Built with high-quality materials, the Radeon RX 550 features all-solid capacitors and a reinforced PCB, backed by a 2-year warranty and round-the-clock technical support for reliability. The graphics card supports multiple output options including HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI, enabling high-definition and 4K display capabilities for an enhanced visual experience.